Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the tension clamp in your LG washer, you will need pliers, a flathead screwdriver, and a drill driver with a Phillips bit. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the washer and turn off the water supply. Pull the washer away from the wall. Unthread the 2 screws on the top panel. Slide and lift the top panel off. Slide the tension clamp back on the hose. Depending on the location of the repair, use the flathead to detach the hose end from the detergent dispenser or inlet valve. Then remove the tension clamp from the hose. To install the new tension clamp, slide the tension clamp on the end of the hose. Attach the end of the hose to the detergent dispenser or inlet valve. Slide the tension clamp into place. Set and slide the top panel onto the washer. Rethread the 2 screws onto the panel. Push the washer back into place. Turn on the water supply, as well as the power. And your washer should be ready for use.